Okay, guys, my mom's old sewing machine is a white, and I'm having problems finding anything on the internet on it, so I'm going to share what I know with you. This is a white 3355. If you need to know the model number, if you lift this up, and I can't do it because it's heavy, I'm not one-handed, but the model number will be right here on the side of the machine. Okay, if you need to know how to thread a white 3355, mom's came already threaded. So it goes from here to here, and then goes down through there, and then it goes around and back up through your deal. Then you gotta go through there, then through there, and then there's one right in here that the thread's got to go through, and your needle is sideways from your modern machines. Let's see if I can get this pulled out. See how it goes sideways through there? So that's what I know about it at this point. I'm trying to figure everything out. This is going to be your width tension. This is your reverse button. This is your cam holder. And I'll make a different video just for the cams on it. This is your zigzag. You switch this over like that. And you have to pull it this way to get the cam to go in. I do know that much at this point. These two I haven't quite figured out yet. And your bobbin. Let's see if I turn it around. Goes in there. It's these old time bobbin things, and I will load a bobbin for you in a different video to show you how to do that. But your foot lever is right here, and mine come with an extra belt because these have got belts on them like this, and you do have to oil this machine. This is your bobbin thing. I have not figured this out yet. I will make a separate video on that once I figure that out. And I'm not sure exactly what this is. And if I figure it out, I'll make a different video on it. But this sewing machine is from like the 1960s. So if you know anything about these machines, please comment below. If you have any questions, comment. I will see what I can find. I just opened it yesterday. I've got the buttonhole foot and everything like that, and all my different feet for it, and then I've got all the cams for it, but I haven't got that far into the machine yet. So I will get back with you and make more videos as I find things out. Like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel. See you next time.